Thomas with Houston Paint Protection, here to answer more frequently asked questions. Today we're going to be talking about ceramic window tint on windshields. So we're here in Houston, Texas. It's very hot. We get intense heat most months out of the year. So ceramic window tint, specifically the 70% relatively clear film, is a very popular option for windshields because it blocks a lot of that incoming heat and makes driving a lot more comfortable. However, in most states, people are going to have inspection stickers or registration stickers, toll tags, gate tags for apartment complexes, whatever it is that you stick to the surface of your windshield. And we don't want to have that stuff stuck to the window tint because it all has adhesive on the back of them. When you go to remove them, either replacing them or just throwing them away, it leaves an etching in your window film, or it can damage it when you're trying to clean off the adhesive. So as a workaround for that, we use something called static cling tape, which is going to be a clear tape that has no adhesive on the back of it. Think of those clear oil change stickers that you get that come on and off very easily. It's very similar to that material, and what we do when we tint a windshield is we give our customers 2 or 3 of these squares so they can put their stickers or toll tags or whatever on them, and then they can stick that to the window film, so when you go to remove it, everything stays looking brand new. We get a lot of questions about this, even when we explain it. Some people are confused, so in this video, we're gonna do a quick demo for you. This BMW is going to get, or it has already gotten, the ceramic window tint on the windshield, and now we need to work on putting the inspection sticker on the glass. So what we're going to do is we are going to take a pre-cut square of static cling tape. We have our inspection registration sticker here. And so the way it works is we're gonna take this sticker, place it on this one, trim out the excess, and then put that on the glass. So now we've got it on the static cling tape. We'll take our scissors, and we're just going to cleanly trim the excess around this inspection sticker. And we call it static cling tape. There's a lot of different names for it. If you just look up free clear vinyl or adhesive-free stickers, static cling tape, whatever it is, readily found on Amazon, Google, wherever. So now that we have a nice clean size, what we're going to do is we're going to take this backing off. So the white paper backing gets removed, just like so. And if you look really close, I'm not sure if it'll show up on camera, but you can see the edge of the static cling tape overhanging there. So we know that it's present. So we've got our liner opened up, and we're gonna come over here to the BMW. We're gonna fully remove the liner, and now we have the exposed static cling tape surface, and it can be applied anywhere we choose. We're just gonna put it right down here in the corner. I'll adjust it later on to make sure it's straight. This is just for demonstration purposes. And there you go. You've got a sticker that's placed. In a couple years when that expires, the owner will be able to remove that without damaging their window film.